Hey guys, my name is Taylor and I'm from NetBeansTutorials.com, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your own very simple calculator. Let me go over what we're going to include in this real quick. I'm going to show you guys how to only do the formatting of these things. I'm not going to go into too much detail on how they function or work because I actually have gone over all of this in separate videos. If you have any difficulty, please see the video description. I have tutorials on everything listed here. Okay, and again, I'm just going to go over the formatting of these things. I'm going to go over the decimal format class, how to use scanners, declaring doubles and ints, how to use the if statement, and how to declare a separate functioning return value method. Okay, let's get started. Okay, right below your main method, we're going to go ahead and make a scanner because the entirety of this calculator is going to take place in this output window. So we're going to use a scanner to gain some input. Scanner equals new scanner. System.in. This tells the code that the next input for our scanner is going to be saved as scan. Is going to come from our system output window. Decimal format. Now we're going to make a decimal format class. Formatter equals new decimal format. And this is the format, the only format that our code will receive that is deemed acceptable. And we're also going to have to see how there's a bunch of errors here. We actually have to import these packages so that or import these tools so that your code knows what it's doing. Talk about util.scanner, and then okay, fantastic. That, yes, perfect. Okay, now we're going to print to the window to prompt the user for some input. Simple calc. Okay, and we're going to save the next input as a double, and we're going to utilize our scanner right on this line. Double number 1 equals scan.next double. Perfect. Now what this does is it's actually going to take our scanner that we've declared up here, and it's going to go ahead and scan the next user input and save it as the double number 1. Okay, and then we're going to print system.out.print, enter another number to do math with, obviously. Alright. And then we're going to declare another double in the same way that we did the other one. Alright, and then we're going to print system.out.println mathematical operators. And 1 minus addition. Sorry for keeping quiet at this point. What this is actually just going to display mathematical operators addition, subtraction, and division. It's going to display 1, and then on a new line, 2 subtraction, and then on a new line, 3 multiplication, and on a new line, 4 division. What this is right here is it's actually a page break. There's no way to actually just hit enter. When you hit enter right here, it doesn't do anything. It just moves your code over here. It doesn't actually show up over here. It doesn't do a page break. How you do a page break in your code is again /n. Okay, and then we're going to do a separate print. Please enter your choice. Alright, fantastic. And now we're going to do int operator equals scan.nextInt. We're going to need another scanner here. Then if number 2 equals 0, operator equal 4, system.out.println, you cannot divide by 0. Because the world will explode. Everyone knows that. Then we'll end that right there, and then we'll type else system.out.println. The result is formatter. This is where we declare that we need to use our formatter to format the resulting answer. Calculate number 1, number 2 operator. Fantastic. Now what did I do incorrectly? Right, I need a space here, or a plus sign. Calculate, cannot find symbol. Right on. Now we're going to declare our own method, which is going to be calculate here. Right below this one here, right below else, you'll find another one. And our method is going to go right here, and it's actually going to be separate from our main method. You'll find your main method ends right here. Right below that, we're going to go ahead and type public static double calculate. Now you'll find that this is not a procedural method. A procedural method is denoted by the word void as a return type, and a functioning method, a functional method, is denoted by the return value type, which is in its place. You could have void, int, double. It's just the return type right here. So this is a functioning method. Calculate double number 1, double number 2, int operator. Alrighty. Now you'll see that it actually is, it'll show it to be invalid right now. That's actually because it's so hardcore that it actually needs a return statement before it'll be, well, before the red squigglies will go away, quite basically. Alright, now we're going to do a few if statements to give our our calculator some functionality with those choices that we've given it. If operator equals 1, return number 1 plus number 2. So if they chose addition, add number 1 plus number 2. Very simple. And then we're going to go to our else statement. And this is actually what's called a nested if statement. I haven't gone over this in any of my videos, but what it is basically it puts an if right on top of an else. Can be kind of confusing. If an operator equals 2, return number 1 minus number 2. Excellent, excellent. So if they chose subtraction, do that. And then we're going to do another nested. Operator equals 3. Return, what was it, multiplication? Yeah, number 1 times number 2. Fantastic. And then we'll do one final nested if. Well, no, just else. Because if it's the last one, then it doesn't matter. Fantastic. Alrighty, and let's see if she functions. Run file. One more. Run anyway. Enter number 2. Enter another number 2. And look at that. Let's do some brief debugging. And it seems that there's a missing P right there. Let's try this one more time. Enter a number 2. Enter another number 2. I would like to multiply it by 3. Oh, I mean, multiply 2 by 2. That really confused me. That should be 6. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, either here or on my site at netbeanstutorials.com. Thanks for watching.